Today, I'll walk you through how to use Google Maps to plan your travels, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to navigate Google Maps to create your travel itinerary, so you can explore new destinations with confidence. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. This is your starting point for accessing all of Google's services, including Maps. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the grid icon in the upper right corner. This is where you can access various Google applications. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, find and click on the Maps option. This will take you directly to Google Maps, your essential tool for travel planning. Now that you're in Google Maps, look for the Saved option on the left-hand side. Click on it to access your saved locations and travel plans. This is where you can manage all your travel information in one place. It's like having a personal travel assistant at your fingertips. Next, you'll want to click on Travel Plans. This section allows you to create and view your travel itineraries, making it easy to keep track of your trips. To add a new destination, click on Add a Place. This is where the fun begins, as you can start planning your next adventure. Now use the search bar to type in your desired places. Whether it's a restaurant, a landmark, or a hotel, simply enter the name and Google Maps will provide you with options. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core features remain the same. After you've found a place you want to add, you can click on it to get more details. This includes directions, reviews, and even photos. To make your plans more detailed, you can add notes about each location. This is a great way to remember why you chose a specific spot or what you want to do there. Continue adding places as you build your travel itinerary. You can always go back to edit or remove locations if your plans change. Flexibility is key when planning travels. Once you've added all your desired locations, take a moment to review your travel plans. Make sure everything looks good and that you're excited about your upcoming journey. If you want to share your plans with friends or family, Google Maps allows you to do that easily as well. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.